There's a recipe for making a healthy zucchini and parmesan snack bites. They are tasty and makes a healthy snack option for kids, and it works amazing as a lunchbox side item. This recipe requires a handful of ingredients. They are all laid out here, and the key ingredients here is zucchini, which is flavored with parmesan and other seasonings. Let's get started. It's a one bowl mixing, and I like this type of recipes which doesn't require a lot of mess in my kitchen. Using a grater, I'm grating a medium-sized zucchini here. Here I'm using the medium grate, but you can also go for a smaller than that. Okay, once zucchini are all grated, you don't need to take the water out from here. Now I'm gonna crack one egg here. Egg goes in and some olive oil. After that, some Parmesan cheese, which I have already grated. Parmesan will add so much flavor to these snacks. Okay, using a fork, I'm just mixing everything in. Okay, egg is all mixed, and now I'm going to incorporate the rest of the things here. Starting with some water. Water goes in, give it just a quick mix so that everything is well incorporated. And now it's time to add some flour. I have already sieved my flour, but it's not absolutely necessary to sieve it. Just regular plain flour that goes in and some seasoning. So here I have some sea salt with garlic flakes and some oregano. Now the best thing about this recipe is you can use any seasoning of your choice. For example, if you want to add some chili flakes, do that. Okay, give it a mix so that everything is well incorporated, and once it's mixed, your batter is all done. Okay, this is the consistency, and now I'm going to pour it in my baking tray. And I would suggest always to use a sheet because otherwise it will get too sticky to take out. Although I'm using sheet, it's necessary to pour in some oil. Here I'm using some olive oil and I'm spreading it all across the sheet. Okay, doing this step will make it really easy for you to lift the whole baked thing from it later on. After doing this step, it's time to pour in the batter, which is liquid, so you want to make sure it reaches all the corner. It's one layer of batter and just tilting the sides, make sure it reaches all the corners so that you get a nice finishing for your final baked good. Okay, I have already preheated my oven to 190 degrees and it's going in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. It all depends on the type of the oven. Okay, setting my alarm. Fast forward that my baked zucchini and parmesan appetizer is all ready and they look something like this. It's a very tasty one, but you gotta let them sit in the pan for at least 5 minutes and then you can cut them according to your desire. I have done smaller bites because that's how I like it and it's easier to have it as a snack on the go. This is the final thing. It's a little bit soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. Adding just a little bit of salt flakes in the end, and now I'm gonna enjoy it with my favorite dipping. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to watch more and stay tuned.